Extended warranty. Unlike other power cords for radar detectors, Crossery offers 2-year warranty on radar detector cable. Adjustable power cord length, extends 6 to 12, allows placement of Uniden R7 radar detector, Escort Redline 360C on your windshield radar mount or mirror mount. Compatible with Valentine 1 Gen 2 radar detector, Escort radar detectors, Passport radar detectors, Uniden R7 radar detector. Also works with Escort Redline 360C radar detector, Escort Passport 9509, Escort Max 3, Escort 9, Escort Solo Series, Beltronics Radar Detector. Power cable wire for Valentine Radar Detector Gen 2 V1 Gen 2 Uniden R3 R7 R1 Beltronics Vector Pro STI. Also for Escort Max 360C 363 9, Passport 8500 Solo X80 S3 S2 Redline Radar Detectors. Power cord for telephone style RJ11 for Uniden, Escort, Valentine 1V1, Beltronics Radar Detector. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement power cord for my radar detector. The original cord would cost more than $50. This is a cheap solution.